What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If it is the first time you're touching down on this channel, welcome to Small Feet, Big Heat. We talk sneakers, we talk streetwear, and everything in between. Today, I am so excited to get into today's video, y'all. I cannot tell you. I've been waiting a minute to crack this box open, and finally, I'm doing that today. These actually hit the doorstep on the 23rd. The release was on the 21st. If you don't already know what I'm talking about, it's the Travis Scotts, the reverse Mochas. I hit on the sneakers app. I couldn't believe it. Couldn't believe it. We're gonna go ahead and crack these open. I didn't want to get too excited because of course, if you make it through the sneakers app, you still gotta make it through FedEx. But it's looking like we did it. It's looking like we did it. Got that cream and mocha brown box. We can just toss that to the side. Honestly, we don't need that. I'll let y'all have the first look. His top comes all the way off. Got that pink paper with the wings and the cactus jack. It's wrapped around there pretty tight and I don't want to rip it, so I'm gonna just set this down and be a little bit more careful pulling this off. These are clean. These are real clean. All right, let me take them out. Take out both shoes. That glue smell, that lovely, lovely glue smell that I haven't smelled in a while. I have not been hitting on the sneakers app, but they definitely blessed me with this one. For sure, they blessed me with this one. Depending on how long you've been watching the channel, you might have heard me say I'm not the biggest fan of Jordan 1s. They tend to make my feet look long, and I don't have big feet, so I really don't want my feet looking longer than they are. So I actually sized down in these. I went and got a 5.5 instead of going for a 6, and I hit on the 5.5, so I guess I made the right choice. Take a look at that. You got that really light cream colored, not white, it's definitely like an off-white leather. Then the brown nubuck on the sides, on the toe box, nylon on the tongue. This is just the first impressions. I will do a full review and on foot, of course. I like these a lot. I didn't go crazy putting in raffles and doing any of that because honestly, I didn't think I was gonna hit. I was just kind of like, it's gonna be another sneaker that escapes me. What's the point? I entered on the app last minute. I think there was like 3 minutes left and I got my entry in there. And when it said I hit, I was like, that's crazy. That's crazy because I have not been hitting on the sneakers app. They've been paying me dust, but yeah. There it is. Reverse Mochas. Super clean in hand. Materials do feel nice. Can't lie about that. Looking at the quality control right now. No crazy glue stains. Nothing out of place. Nothing looking wonky. Let's check the other shoe. Nah, these are clean. They're real clean. Can't wait to give y'all an on foot. I'll probably do more pairs of pants than I normally do because I know these come with a hefty price tag resale right now. So if you're thinking about getting them, I want to make sure I show you all the options at least. These are real nice. Real nice. Very lucky. There's a cactus jack hit on the inside. Right there, if y'all can see it, says cactus jack. I think if I had to put them in order for me personally, it would be the fragment lows, then these, and then the originals. For some reason, the color blocking on the fragment lows and this reverse pair of mochas, as far as lows go, I think they look better than the original. I think the original looks best in its high top form. The fragment highs don't look as good to me, but that's just my personal opinion. Here goes the label for the one time. USA 5.5, just like I said. Straight from the sneakers app. Straight from the sneakers app. You do get extra laces, so you got that cream or sail pair inside the shoe. Brown, red, what's this, white? Yeah, you got a bright white pair. I need a fitted hat for these. HatClub, I need a fitted hat for these. I need something. I need something for these. I cannot wait to get off a good match, a good fitted hat sneaker match. Follow me on Instagram if you're not already. I'm posting all of my sneaker and hat combinations over there. I'm also doing 30 fitted hats for August, 31 fitted hats for August, so make sure y'all keep up with that. Some more details until I can do the full review on foot. Cactus Jack right there on the side of the tongue. Travis on the insole. You can't see the Scott because it's too far up, but I'll make sure I show it to y'all in the full review. Travis Scott on the insole. You got the Jumpman and the Cactus Jack on the inside of this one. I can see it a little bit. It says Cactus Jack on the inside. Jumpman at the bottom. I'm a little out of practice with the sneaker reviews. I'm not gonna hold you. A little out of practice, but hopefully y'all enjoyed this. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all think about these reverse mochas down below in the comment section. I am doing a video every day of August on this channel, so daily sneaker fitted streetwear content. I'm definitely gonna do a hotter style on these as well, but be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I will check y'all out in the next one.